Do you know that in Igbo land, divorce has a unique tradition that has not been erased by civilization? Let me tell you how it works. If a man wants a divorce, he goes with his kinsmen and a keg of raffia wine to the woman's family to collect back his bride price. But if a woman wants a divorce, her family will call the husband to come and take back his bride price. Once that bride price is returned, the marriage is over. The woman is free to remarry. But here's the twist. Until that bride price is returned, the woman is still seen as the wife of her former husband, and any child she has outside that marriage still belongs to him. This practice, though with little changes, is still in existence in many Igbo communities today. In my next video, I will explain the significance of the raffia wine as it concerns divorce in Igbo tradition.